All right, how you doing? This is Raphael, and I'm here to try out the Pomelli by Google Labs. This is the very first time I'm using it, so you're gonna get my real-time reaction here. Is it worthwhile using? How good is the software? Um, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna enter in my website, which is originassets.net. All right, now it's analyzing my website. Let's give it a second here. All right. Okay, I'm gonna skip ahead. All right, so it just finished loading, scanning my website, and there's something called your business DNA that it came up with, which is the logo, the kinds of fonts I use, the colors I'm using, and tagline, all that stuff. It's even pulled some images, so okay, looks good. Should I upload images? I'm just gonna go ahead and see what it can do with the defaults. All right, so here's asking me describe the campaign you want to create. I'm gonna give it a specific prompt here to promote an offer that I have. All right, so I wrote, I want you to promote my free website consultation offer. I will point out all of the things that need to be fixed for your website to maximize its performance. All right, so let's have it generate some ideas. Running, running, running. Oh, okay. Um, so basically what happened there, it gave me three different options. I clicked on your free site blueprints, and now it's generating some images. Um, okay. All right. So far it's okay. I mean, it's basically taking images from your website, overlaying some text on it with a specific offer that you give to the prompt, and it's not terrible. Um, let's go with this one. And then I guess here you can start editing. Okay. All right. Well, that's a lot shorter than I originally intended. All right. Let's have it generate a call to action. Oh, is it? I think it's going to generate an entire new image here. Very interesting. Okay, so it does keep track of the different versions that I'm creating for this type of campaign. Okay, I like that a little bit more. Um, it's not terrible. Yeah. Okay. So I guess the thing would be to feed it a ton of different um images, right? A different selfies or, pictures with your team, and having it generate different layouts. So let me go back. Hmm. Okay. Very interesting. Very interesting. Now, I'm wondering if there's a place where I can actually add a prompt, try new animate feature. Now you can generate animations from your campaigns in one click. Okay, how do I do that? Duplicate. Let's say I want to do some kind of animation with this. Fix layout. This is very touch and go. You just kind of click You click the pre-made options that it gives you. I mean, you can definitely edit the text and description, but it's very much like touch and go, very low user input, which is really good if you're, not very tech savvy, right? Let's have it generate a call to action here. All right, so this is the third iteration, the third version it created, and it's okay. It's really not that great. So I guess you can kind of see here, this is a very basic kind of this is a very basic tool that's maybe more convenient than Canva, right? Now I do want to try this animate feature, see how we can get some animated assets going here. So now you can generate animations from your campaigns in one click. All right. Let's add some creatives here. I'm gonna make it feed. Okay. Okay, so here's where I can actually prompt. Um, all right, so let me find a couple of images that I can upload. All right, so I'm adding some additional images. I did a kind of like a self picture. Um, background edits. I put gradient and technology. Just something I can think. Yeah, let's just run it. Okay. All right. I don't know what happened there, but it just made my image. It made me into an Asian man. Um, and then another, Middle Eastern guy. So that didn't work at all. Let me actually go back. I'm just gonna go with the no background edits. Okay. Let's click apply. Uh, to create an animated. All right. This is for a campaign where I am offering free website audits to businesses. Click generate. All right. So I'm also going to do another one here using this graphic. Get a local SEO audit for your online presence. Make it animated. All right. So let's take a look at what that generates. All right. So this is the one I just created. Again, super basic. Pomelli. Maybe I'm not feeding it the right information, but so far, it's pretty mid, in my opinion. I think you can create better things with Canva templates, but again, it's free, and some businesses might be able to use this and make very, you know, quickly generated content for their social media or their ads. I'm going to create some more and see if I can get better results. But for the time being, I think I would call this a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 score. Okay, so this is the SEO, the local SEO graphic. This is what it came up with. I don't know why it's having me generate the call to action manually every time. I would probably want that to be a default, but yeah, that's the first result it gave me, and it's not bad. It saves it would have taken me longer to do that on Adobe Express or Canva. See, again, this is not bad at all. All in all, I think this is not a bad software to use. It's free. Let's start there. Um, and you can only use it on desktop, so you can't access it through mobile. I have already tried. But I do recommend you check it out. I'm not gonna say it's gonna replace a professional graphic designer probably, but if you're a solopreneur trying to save money, this is not a bad route to go. What I would have done differently, and I might make a separate video now that I have a little bit of experience with it. Um, I would probably upload a big library of like selfies and, you know, like B-roll, or I guess like pictures of you working whatever that your craft is, whatever your trade is. Um, and then I think making a better offer besides website audits. Um, so I'll do maybe a part two covering this a little bit deeper. But yeah, my my overall verdict is it's usable. 6 out of 10. The graphics are pretty mid, but hey, it's free, and I did this all in like 20 minutes. So awesome.